Hi, I'm Matt. Today's video lesson is about using would like. We use would like when we need something in English. So let's find out more. After a busy week at work, I try to relax on the weekend. I usually go to a restaurant on Saturday. Now when I'm in the restaurant, I like to order the food. When I'm ready to order, I say, "Excuse me, I'd like to order." After I check the menu, I say, "I'd like salad, lasagna, and water to drink, please." So let's look at the sentences and focus on the underlined words. In the first sentence, I'm in a restaurant and I would like to order my meal. So I tell the waiter, "I'd like to order." We use "I'd like" when we want something from somebody and we want to ask the person politely. In the second sentence, after I've checked the menu, I need to tell the waiter what I will eat. Again, I use the expression "I'd like," followed by the food items. "I'd like" is an expression we can use when we are in a restaurant, cafe, or any other place where you need something from somebody. When you need something, we don't say, "I want salad." That's not polite, and therefore it's not correct English. We say, "I'd like." By the way, "I'd like" is a short form of "I would like." Let's look at a few more examples. "I'd like a piece of cake, please." In this situation, I'm in a cafe. I have seen an absolutely delicious piece of cake. It looks so tasty, I just have to eat it. What do I say to the barista who works at the cafe? Again, I say, "I'd like a piece of cake, please." "I'd like to book a window seat, please." In the next situation, I'm at the airport. I'm at the check-in desk for my airline. When I'm flying, I love to look at the sky and scenery, so I prefer to sit next to the window. What do I say to the passenger check-in officer who works for the airline? Here, I say, "I'd like to book a window seat, please." Let's move on. How can you use would like in sentences? Let's look at the example from before. "I'd like salad, lasagna, and water, please." You can start the sentence with "I'd like" followed by what you need from somebody. It's polite to add "please" at the end of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. "I'd like a cup of tea and a biscuit, please." "I'd like a glass of orange juice, please." "I'd like a table for two, please." You can also use a verb after "I'd like." The verb is in the infinitive form. Let's look at some examples. "I'd like to travel on Monday, please." "I'd like to leave at 3 o'clock for the meeting, please." Let's move on. How can we use would like to offer something to somebody? Let's look at an example. "Would you like a cup of coffee?" To make a question, you start with would, followed by the pronoun you, and then the base form of the verb, which is like. Let's look at some more examples. "Would you like some pizza?" "Would you like to meet Sam?" Now you can use would like. Today we learned when to use would like, using would like in sentences, and making questions with would like. Thanks for watching. See you later.